New pace here in Solen Residences. Good news no guys, kasi we opened a newly pace that is offering here in Solen Residences Phase 1. But before we dive into the details, no, this is Jen Sorne, your Elite Properties, and of course, let me welcome you back here sa aking YouTube channel. And I'll be sharing to you yung bago naming development here in Solen Residences, and especially, of course, the new pace na ino-offer namin, which is pwede na kayo magpasa ng LOI or yung letter of intent para makapag-secure na kayo ng inyong residential lot. But before natin puntahan yung pinaka-actual area ni Solen Residences for the new pace, no, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung ating bagong model house na ino-offer here in Solen Residences. And aside from that, iikot din tayo sa pinaka-area nitong ating ino-offer at silipin din natin yung ibang amenities na we have here, especially mga open park para sa ating mga kids. Meron din tayo dito mga basketball court, and of course, hindi mawawala ang ating pinaka-clubhouse kung saan located ang ating infinity pool, gym. Meron din tayo dong kids area kung saan ma-enjoy nila, and of course, the function hall kung saan pwede tayo mag-gather ng ating mga event na pwede nyo rin gamitin kung meron tayo mga special event like weddings, debut, and other birthday celebrations. So, pasukin muna natin itong ating bagong model house so you can have an idea. So, let's go guys! Hi guys! So, we are now here sa ating model house, of course. Pagpasok natin, lagi naman sumasalubong sa atin ang ating living area, which is located here, no? As you can see, as well, it's very spacious. It's high ceiling as well. And of course, the entertainment area is located here. So, when it comes sa ating dining area naman, of course, located naman siya dito. It will be a perfect seat for a 4 to 6 seater, no? The kitchen area is located here, but silipin muna natin yung outside ng ating pinaka-model house. So, as you can see, no, meron tayong open space dito. Pwede natin gawing lanay, maglagay ng kubo, and pwede nyo itong ipa-gardening, no, to maximize. This is just to give you an idea kung ano ba yung bago naming model house na ino-offer here in Solen Residences, especially sa ating bagong pace na ino-offer. So, as you can see naman, it pulls of greenery, no, kasi it's Greenfield City. Talagang hindi nawawala yung touch of greeneries, especially not just sa pinakabahay, of course, sa pinakabuong development ng ating mga project, no? Not just in Solen Residences actually, but also dun sa pinaka Greenfield City na sinasabi natin. So, here, no, the kitchen area is located here. Kung mapapansin nyo, very minimalist lang siya. Meron na siya mga hanging cabinets both sides. The dishwashing area is located here. And syempre, meron tayo ditong access going sa ating pinaka-maid's room. So, kanina, no, kung mapapansin nyo, di ba, galing tayo dun sa open space sa may pinaka-backdoor. Meron itong access going dun sa ating pinanggalingan kanina. So, andito yung ating maid's room, or pwede rin siyang driver's room that is located here. Meron na rin siyang sariling toilet and bath, so it won't be a hassle para sa kanya na maglabas-pasok sa loob ng ating pinaka-bahay. So, dito, no, meron tayong powder room dito sa ating level 1 that is located naman here. And, yan, guys. So, silipin naman natin yung second floor. So, para may idea naman tayo kung ano bang itsura nito sa taas. So, here sa ating pinaka-second level, of course, it has a master's bedroom and dalawang room, no? So, unahin natin itong bedroom 1. Located here. So if you're a family of 2 or 3 or 4, no, this is a perfect model house. As you can see, pwede to sa ating teenager, no. So meron siyang sarili niyang perfect space. Di ba I mentioned earlier, this is high ceiling. So mapapansin niyo naman dito, no. So pwede niyo naman yan, it will depends on you, no. Pwede mo siyang hindi ipa-high ceiling for an additional room. Meron din tayong common toilet and bath that is located here in the level 2. As you can see, we have another room here that is perfect for kids, no? So, dinesign lang siya for baby, no? Pero, it's up to you. Pwede ka maglagay ng bunk bed. At the same time, kagandahan pa, of course, the window is wide. And may direct heat of sunlight. So, pag inopen mo din siya, meron ka naman fresh air kung saan may enjoy mo yung pinaka-weather here sa ating Solen Residences na ino-offer. And the master's bedroom, of course, is located here. The toilet and bath for the master's bedroom is located dito. And ang kagandahan dito sa design na to, the master's bedroom has an access going sa balcony. So, eto mapapansin nyo naman guys, kasi this model house is just located near or sa tapat ng aking pinaka-clubhouse. So, mapapansin nyo or makikita nyo yung pinaka-clubhouse natin. So, paglabas mo pa lang dito, meron na talagang fresh air kung saan ma-enjoy mo. The balcony as well is very wide, no? So, pwede ka pa maglagay dito ng coffee table mo para in the morning, no? Pwede ka mag-coffee, magmuni-muni, especially during our day off, no? Siyempre tayo mga Pilipino, gusto natin pag nasa bahay tayo, nag-relax lang tayo. We are enjoying the community as well. And together, nakakikipag-band tayo together with our family, no? So, as I mentioned, di ba, nasa tapat ng kayong clubhouse, that is one of the amenity na ino-offer namin here in Solen Residences. So, as I mentioned din, pupuntahan natin yung iba pang open park dito so you can have an idea at yung community dito. Kasi because Solen Residences talaga already have a 3-phase, no? So, as currently, we are offering the Phase 1D extension, a new pre-selling lot, aside kay Phase 1C extension. And yun yung good news, no guys. So, if you're interested at gusto nyo makapili ng iyong perfect lot, no, pwede na kayo mag-send ng letter of intent, no. So, puntahan na natin yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mga open park here sa area. So, tara guys! So guys, papunta tayo sa Phase 3 kung saan located yung isa nating open park. Meron din tayong open park na located sa Phase 1. Dadaanan din natin yun mamaya pag papunta na tayo ng yung new phase natin, which is the Phase 1C and Phase 1D extension. So, yan. As you can see, no, guys, as of today, no, meron tayong maintenance sa ating pinaka-park. Ayan. Nagpuputol sila ng mga grass to maintain na talagang okay yung area. So, makikita niyo sobrang dami nila dito. Pati yung mga vacant lot, no, kahit ano na siya, nabili na siya, may owner na siya, si Solen Residences pa din yung nagme-maintain para hindi tumaas yung mga damo. So, ayan. Kaliwat kanan yan, guys. Sobrang dami nila. Kasi we all know naman pag panay ang ulan, then umaaraw, mabilis yung pagtaas ng mga damo. So, talagang kailangan i-well maintain para syempre hindi mapabayaan. Diba? Sobrang dami nila. Isang buong team sila na nagme-maintain dito. So, kaya napakaganda din talaga mag-invest dito when it comes to exclusivity, pag-aalaga din ng maintenance ng mga amenities. Not just the amenities, no, but the whole community. So, puntahan naman natin yung sa Phase 1 na isa pang open park. Hopefully, masilip natin so may idea kayo bago tayo pumunta dun sa ating newly launched na phase that is located as well in Phase 1. So, we are now here sa actual open park located in Phase 1. So, as you can see, this is perfect for your toddler, no? So, sa ang kagandahan naman doon sa ating pre-selling na ino-offer, magkakaroon pa tayo doon ng additional amenities, no? As of now lang, no, hindi pa sinasabi kung ano yung additional amenities yun. But this is just to give you an idea kung gaano ba talagang pinagpo-provide ng open space si Greenfield City, especially here in Solen Residences. Then, pupuntahan na natin yung area kung saan located yung ating bagong phase na ino-offer. So, guys, we are now here sa ating pre-selling lot, which is the Phase 1C and Phase 1D extension. So, we are now here sa actual development ng Phase 1C extension at you can see right at my back, no, andito yung master plan development or master plan residential community natin, no. So, meron pa rin naman mga available na pre-selling lots dito, no. So, ang kagandahan lang since napaka-saleable ng project ng Solen Residences, kaya nag-offer kami or nag-open kami ng newly phase at ang kagandahan pa dito, no. So, meron itong access road going to Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. So, later, puntahan natin banda doon yung area area kung saan located yung Phase 1D extension. And share ko lang din sa inyo kanina, no guys, so galing tayo dun sa isang open part na pinanggalingan natin which is located sa Phase 3. So dito banda yon, no, hindi lang tayo nakababa kasi ongoing yung maintenance or yung grass cutting dun sa area, no. So ayun lang guys, share ko lang sa inyo, then puntahan na natin yung Phase 1D extension. So guys, as I mentioned, nasa Phase 1C extension tayo at ito yung magiging access road going to Phase 1D extension. Ito yung additional phase na ino-offer natin. At nakagandahan pa, no, magkakaroon tayo ng second gate dito which is part of the main entrance or tinatawag natin main entrance 2, no. So yun yung kagandahan na sinasabi ko sa inyo, magiging very accessible to if you're coming from Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. At the same time, magkakaroon tayo ng additional amenities here in the area. So if you are interested at gusto nyo ng pre-selling lot or gusto nyo makapili ng lot, kasi here of course, meron tayong mga corner lot na ino-offer, ay pwede na kayo magpasa ng letter of intent and ang price per square meter starts at 49,000 up to 57,000 per square meter. It will depend according sa lot size and of course, kung anong location ng lot. Of course, alam naman natin, pag corner lot, it's a prime lot or diamond lot. So, mas mataas yung price niya per square meter. But here kasi in Solen Residences, of course, we are not just buying the residential lot, but the community itself na ino-offer and the master plan development here ni Greenfield City. Kasi we all know naman that Greenfield City, pag nagawa sila ng project, talagang everything is within your reach. Like I mentioned to you earlier, no, when it comes to hospital, medical city, it's just few minutes away. It's just 5 minutes away actually. We also have the UniHealth Qualimed that it's just 10 minutes away and it's located in Ayala Estates. And of course, it's just 30 minutes away going to Alabang if pupunta kayo ng Asian Hospital. So here naman in Solen Residences, when it comes to restaurant, shopping center, kaliwat kanan naman kasi Sino Valley Estate is just our part of our neighborhood, no, na master plan. So we all know naman na pag nag-develop din Sino Valley Estate is also a master plan development. And actually, ongoing na rin yung mga commercial establishment doon, like the Mary Mart and the Solenad 4, the SNR and Landers is nandun na talaga. So talagang when you live here now, you have a peace of mind. No? Hindi mo kailangan mag-travel ng ilang hours away just to enjoy those kind of living na iisipin nyo, saan ba ako mag-grocery? Saan ba ako mag-shopping? Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Manila or Makati kasi nandito lahat yon sa Metro South, no? At ang kagandahan pa, no, ongoing yung construction natin ng one of the biggest na mall here, which is tinatawag nating SMU Law Premier, no? So yun yung isa pa, meron din mga, ang target kasi daw meron itong mga luxury brand na i-offer at napakalaki din niya, no? So imagine, no, kaliwat kanan, sunod-sunod na yung mga commercial establishment. So talagang tinatawag siya na mayroon siyang future Makati of the South. But here in Solen Residences, since we are offering a residential lot here na perfect for your retirement home, kung saan meron kang exclusivity, peace and calmness, no, where you can enjoy also the Tagaytay weather, and no, it just 30 minutes away going to Tagaytay. If you want to bond with your family, gusto niyo ma-enjoy yung cold weather or mag-staycation kayo. Actually, hindi na nga din siya mag-staycation kasi it's just 30 minutes away to your home, no? Pero, syempre, kung gusto niyo mag-bonding together with your family, like pumunta kayo ng picnic grove, magpunta kayo ng zoo, mag-sky ranch kayo, talagang all the activities are nandito na sa Santa Rosa or sa Metro South. And of course, I'm sure, wino-worry nyo din when it comes to educational ng ating mga anak. So, here in Metro South, meron kaming tinatawag na University Belt of the South noon na talagang kaliwat kanan na ang mga universities like the De La Salle College of Canlubang. It's located here and it's just around 15 minutes away. We have the University of Santo Tomas na naka-built na siya as of now. Hindi na siya nag-ooperate pero guys, it's just 5 minutes away. University of the East, which is plano na siya in the future. In Nuvali area, we have the Xavier School, Miriam College. We also have the Chiang Kai-shek located in Silang, Cavite. So, imagine, di ba guys, napakadaming option. Hindi nyo kailangan talagang lumayo. So, aside from the environment and the community we are offering, sabi nga, we have this tagline na you are living in the city but you have this probinsya vibes. Most of our clients kasi, ayun yung reason kung bakit nagugustuhan nila mag-retire o mag-stay here in Metro South because of its environment, its community itself, the greeneries, and of course, the weather. And yun, no, guys. So when it comes to accessibility, no, Solen Residences, we all know naman that this is very accessible because it's located in a prime location. So if this is just 5 minutes away going to South Luzon Expressway via the Eton Greenfield exit. Aside from that, no, we also have other options like the Santa Rosa exit and the Calax exit, no, the Cavite Laguna Expressway. So, ganun siya ka-accessible. So, aside from that, meron pa tayo isang access road going to Mamplasan kasi si Greenfield City, meron silang sariling access road if you are residential or owner here sa Greenfield City. So, one of the privilege na pwede mong ma-enjoy kasi pwede mo yung daanan, mostly talaga, is for the residents only. Pero, ayun, dumadaan kayo dun sa parang pinaka-techno hub dito sa area, but it's exclusive, no? So, those are the exclusivity na pwede mong ma-enjoy when you live here in Solen Residences. So, if you are looking for a residential lot, especially kung ang target nyo is pre-selling, no, you can send us a message through my details flash on the screen. It's 63915-3000447. It also has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. And my email will be also flashed in the screen. So, once again, this is Jen Sorne, your Elite Properties, and make sure to like and subscribe my channel, and see you on my next one. Bye, guys!